Hey guys, Josh is gonna get us some more little baby chicks. And I will leave all the information down below. It's in Zephyrhills, if you're familiar with the area. Oh, it smells so good in here.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now is my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
I see you. These are a little bit bigger. How cute.
Good. See, they're all girls, so.
Oh, you're so cute. So we are getting chickens, and we're gonna get one little rabbit. Hopefully it won't happen the same thing that happened, and we're getting them the same size and everything. Just, you know, but it kind of makes me sad.
Two hands and do not move it around. Okay? Are you happy?
Okay, so we got it and 4 baby chicks. So we're gonna take them straight home and start from scratch. How do you think the bunny's gonna adapt? The little rabbit is going to adapt. She. It's a she. It's a she. It's a little girl. And we fixed up the. We're gonna fix the chicken coop, so that doesn't happen again. You know, with whatever went in there. We think it's a raccoon, but we're gonna, you know, fix it up a little bit more and everything, just to make sure that nothing goes in there and that it's safe for the animals, you know. So that's that.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix.
Just a little bit. The two bachelors over there.
We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
She looks like a Juanita. She's just scared. Oh, look, she's already cleaning herself. She's like, ew, it's filthy in here.
Inside of me, in this desert, I can look at you with love. All that I can learn, can you stay and I will grow, grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my
She's friendly.
Well, they're
Look at
talking.
them, look at them.
He's talking to him.
I was like,
It's over there, bro. It's over there, bro.
Estos son bien grandes. Estos son de carne.
yeah.
He's
Aquello está
eating.
bonito, eso es de afuera o de adentro de la casa.
Eso es para adentro, pero ella pues está afuera. Sí, look like this.
Oh, where she's like, hi. Look, they're smelling each other. Oh. It's okay. She got
They're so tiny. They look like tiny, like little.
She stands on you and everything.
Yeah, she doesn't even be.
Okay, so we tried to do the bonding with the two rabbits. One of the rabbits that we had, you know, from before when we had our other rabbit, who, you know, is gone now. Yeah, we try to do the bonding process. Yeah, so they're not getting along with each other, so we have to keep trying little by little, you know, and just keep trying. And eventually, hopefully they'll want to like be in the same place, in the same spot, you know, in the same space. That's the word. Because right now, yeah, Robin is not letting that happen. She said, nope, I'm not having it. So that's what's going on now. So we're just going to keep the little rabbit in our house for a couple of days, and we're going to be letting it, you know, go back and forth and seeing if that works. The boys were a little bit better with it. They didn't seem to bother her that much, nothing. So that's the update. Josh is getting the chicken, you know, the baby chicks ready, you know, their little house. He's getting it ready to go. And yeah, so he's getting all that ready to go. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start cooking. You know, our turkey is in the oven, and we are going to be making the other sides. We're making arroz con gandules, ensalada de coditos, and ensalada de papa. We have, of course, the gravy for the turkey and the stuffing, and we have, what else do we have? I think that's it. Oh, and Josh made some delicious homemade cheesecake. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you guys. Oh, this cheesecake he made. Oh, it's so good. That for the menu. And I'm forgetting one thing, but I can't remember what it is. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it to go. I cannot wait. I'm so hungry. So hungry. But I'm making ensalada de coditos y ensalada de papa. You know guys enjoyed my video and hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. I hope you guys had Thanksgiving and happy holidays. Bye guys, see you on the next one. Peace.